Struggling to remove MDM from your school iPad? 3U Tools is a legacy iOS management tool that once offered a free MDM bypass feature. Its Skip MDM Lock function allowed users to temporarily bypass restrictions during device setup. However, this feature is only available in older versions, version 2.65 or earlier, on a Windows PC, and exclusively supports iOS 14 or earlier devices. For those with a technical background, you might try using a tool that offers a free 10-day trial. The core idea behind using Fiddler to bypass MDM, mobile device management, is to intercept and modify the communication between the MDM server and your device, thereby spoofing its status or bypassing restrictions. Keep in mind, this method is quite complex. When other methods stall, MagFone removes school MDM without passwords or data loss in minutes. Launch the software, select Remove MDM, and click Start. It automatically detects and dismantles the management profile.